Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Got a special treat for you today. We have this 2023 Cruisers Yachts 38 GLS. So this is a beautiful 38-foot boat, tons of options, just amazing. We're gonna go walk through everything with you. Once you guys come on aboard, can't wait to show you. All right, welcome again to the 38 GLS from Cruisers Yachts. All right, we're gonna start with the transom of the boat. And this is where all the fun kind of happens. So it's massive back here. If you've got a bunch of friends and family, there's plenty for everybody to sit, places for people to sit and kind of hang out in this area. So I'll kind of show you right here real quick. Obviously, this is a nice big swim platform. And we do have a part of the swim platform that does go down and up, so it can go down into the water. You can stand on that, you can sit on that. Just a nice easy way if you're hanging out to get back in and out of the boat and hang out in the water. So like I said, nice big area here. You got some storage underneath here, and then underneath here is all your information for shore power, all the different connections that you're going to need. As we come here, I'll kind of point your attention to the beach door. So it's obviously in the down position right now. There's a button right here that you can hit, and it will come back up when you're ready to go back underway. But this just really extends all of your swimming area. So just makes this back feel just massive. Before we walk in, I want to point up to the shade up on top. So this is retractable with the push of a button as well. This is out, and then you press the button and it goes all the way back in. So on a nice, really hot, sunny day, you can put that here. People sitting here can be protected. Really nice. So you got this nice backrest right here, and there's a little button under here. If I press that, we can open it up even more. So as we do come into the cockpit area, you can really feel the real large cockpit area that we do have here. So obviously you see seating all the way around, storage underneath all of these seats, storage underneath these seats. You got cup holders there and there. So plenty of places for your guests to sit. As we come here, we've got the nice entertainment bar. There is obviously some storage right in here. You got a place for wine and different things, and you've got your trash can. And then we do have a nice refrigerator. And if I open this up, we have the electric grill. So that's really nice to have. And then a sink. So these are nice countertops. And then something that I really love are these two bench seats. There's one right here and there's one right here. So hanging out here, this is probably where I would be sitting the entire day. As we come up to the helm area, we've got the nice backrest here. It does have an armrest that folds down. We do have a nice bolster seat that can be obviously up or down. In the up position, it does give you a nice footrest right here. And then up at the helm here, we've got two Simrad 12-inch screens, touch screens. You can have all sorts of different information on either screen. Very, very helpful. And then we got some nice controls right in here, just nice push button controls to control different lighting and all the information that you may need. All right, and then just a couple more things here at the helm. I just want to show you this really just beautiful looking steering wheel here. It's got the nice chrome, and you've got the logo for Cruisers Yachts in there. Obviously, twin engine boat at 38 feet, and then we do have the assist for the docking. Easy to control, easy to drive. If you're looking to dock yourself, you can twist this thing in a 360. All right, welcome to the bow of the 38 GLS. If you want to hang out in the bow of this boat all day long, it has got plenty of space up in here. You've got cup holders, you've got the speakers up here, you got control of the speakers and the music up here as well. Nice big backrest. We do have an armrest that does fold down. And then also this boat is optioned with the filler. So you can put your bow filler cushions all the way across here, and you could lounge out the entire day. So we love the bow of this boat. The other thing I'll point out is access to the windlass. So we do have a down button and an up button right here, and then you can access your windlass from here as well. So, all right, let's go take a look at the cabin area. All right, welcome to the cabin area. We've got some nice headspace, so when you walk down in, you can, I'm not super tall, but it does give you some nice headspace. We've got a nice TV right here. We've got a microwave and another refrigerator. And you can actually sit around this table. You can pop this out. This will twist, so if you want to put it the other way, people can sit all the way around here. And right underneath us is a nice place to lay your head. There's some nice couple beds down there. There's a TV down there. There's storage. Just a nice space for a 38-footer. And then we also have the head. So as I open this, you can see it's got a nice sink. We've got the toilet, and it is a wet head, so obviously you can use it as a shower as well. So nice appointed area right here in the 38 GLS. This boat is here in our Rogers location, so if you want to come take a look, you can call us to set up an appointment, or just stop on by. We'd love to take a look with you and show you this. So as always, I'd like you to click that like button, and then also you hit subscribe, and you'll be able to see all the different videos we're putting out every day. Thanks. Have a great day.